Hi there, everybody. So today we're going to learn how to switch from one account to another on the zInspector app. This is really easy to do and it's recommended for companies that work with multiple markets. So first, once you open up the zInspector app, what you want to do is you want to click on the settings icon, which is a little gear icon on the upper right hand corner. Okay, so once you click on this, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and look for a button that says switch account. This button will automatically take you to the next step. Now, for the first time switching accounts, you will have to type in your email that's associated to the existing zInspector account that you're switching over to. Okay, you will also need to include the password and then click switch right at the bottom. Now, this is the only time you will be required to enter the password if the password doesn't change. For any other times that you switch accounts, it is going to be a little bit easier. Okay, so to switch accounts in the future, what you want to do is you want to click on the logo that's on the home page, and then you'll be taken back to the switch account part of the app. Okay, now all you will have to do this time is actually tap to select under the account field. This will automatically show you a list of accounts available, which you can click on any account. Now you can just click switch and that should be it. So in just a second or two, you will be switched back to the account you just selected. And that's how we switch accounts. So remember, if you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@zInspector.com. Thank you, everybody, and happy inspecting.